Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Azanar and binti Gustin. Matrix number 12220 from class laboratory 3A. Today we would like to discuss about HIV and AIDS disease in Malaysia. This article about factors of having HIV and AIDS disease by age group in Selangor, Malaysia. The sample for this article are 150 people between 10 to 51 age of group, male and female in Selangor. As Malaysian, we would like to do a research and report about the factors of having HIV and AIDS in Selangor. As we know, usually the disease can spread through sexual contact, sharing needles for drugs injection, breastfeeding, and other. We collected data for 150 men and women and from ages 10 to 51 years old by using some formulas that we had learned. I'm going to pass the next person to explain about the table of factors of having HIV and AIDS in Selangor, Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arni Zafira binti Muhammad Rasul. Matrix numbers DL12205. Today I will present how to calculate table frequency from data of HIV. In data of HIV, we need to have age of pupil. In value age of pupil, we can get data of frequency. Cumulative frequency group 1 plus group 2. For example, 23 plus 21, we can get 44. Next, upper boundary. Upper boundary is value of upper class limit for the first class plus lower class for the second class and divide by 2. For example, 15 plus 16 divide by 2, we can get 50.5. Next value, lower boundary. Lower boundary, we can calculate when lower class minus the class size. Okay, next, X mean man point. How to get value of man point is the upper class plus lower class and divide by 2. The value of fx we can get in frequency multiplied by x. Second, f square we can get f frequency multiplied by square. Fx and f square at the same formula. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Basira binti Shibatullah. My metric number is DL12218. Okay, today I would like to show you the formula of calculation for mean median. Okay, I would like to show the calculation of mean, median, mode and variance. So for the first one is mean. On how to calculate the mean is we have to total frequency and variable. Frequency is 4383 over 150. So the answer is 29.22. For For the second one is mode. For the mode, we have to lower boundary plus with D1 is frequency before and D2 is frequency after. C is for glass size. C is for glass size. So D1 over D1 plus D2. So the answer is 33.5. For the variance, we have a square root. So total frequency square root over variable minus with the same as first one. But we have to do a bracket and square root. So the answer would be like 127.002. Last one is median. The formula for median is lower boundary plus with total frequency over 2 minus with frequency before. But this one we have to do another one, divide with them. So FM is frequency median class and multiply with class size. So the answer would be like 29.25. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aishah Bazan, matrix number DL12217. I am here today to explain to do the math assignment SAM3. Before we generate our sample data on Excel, we have to acknowledge the minimum and maximum value of the data. As for our case, we choose 10 as the minimum value and 51 as the maximum value. After that, we choose a cell and write the formula of rank between 10 and 51. After that, draw the cursor at the cell corner and drag to fit all the 150 sample of data. This is what we call raw data. After the data is produced, we calculate the size of class using formula. After that, we can calculate the class interval, which we got 6. Find frequency, we use the formula of equal count if and range like this. After that, we can calculate cumulative frequency by using formula A plus B. Also, make sure that the last cumulative frequency equals to the number of 150. Next, we calculate upper boundary by using formula equal average A and B. Same formula are used for lower boundary and midpoint. For fx, we can calculate by multiplying frequency and midpoint using formula equal A multiply B. For fx square, we can calculate in Excel using the same formula but using fx multiplied to midpoint. As for the median, mode and variance, find the value by using the same formula as the calculation by hand. We have to divide cumulative frequency into 2 and we got 28 to 33 is the median class. By using the formula given, we can find median, which is 39.25. For model class, we choose with the highest frequency, which is 34 to 39. By using the formula shown, the mode value is 34.88. To find number of data, we use equal count and select all the range. To find mean, we use fx over n, and for standard deviation, we use square root of variance. This is the histogram graph. By choosing the y-axis of frequency and x-axis of age boundary. That's all. Thank you.